In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Microsoft Word in just 5 minutes. Whether you're organizing data for a personal project or a professional report, tables are a great way to present information clearly and effectively. Let's dive right in and get started. To begin, if you don't have Microsoft Word installed on your computer, you can easily access Word through Microsoft 365 online, which is completely free. Simply visit the Microsoft 365 Free Office Online website. Once you're on the web page, you'll need to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen, and click it. This will prompt you to enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account, you can quickly create one by following the on-screen instructions. After successfully signing in, you'll be taken to a dashboard featuring various Microsoft apps. Here, find and click on the Word icon. This will open the Microsoft Word interface where you can start creating your document. If it's your first time accessing this online version, you might notice it looks a bit different from the desktop version, but the functions are essentially the same. Once you are in Word, you'll want to create a new document. You can do this by selecting New Document, which will give you a blank canvas to work on. Now it's time to insert a table. Look towards the top of the window and click on the Insert menu. This menu houses a variety of options for elements you can add to your document. Among them, you'll find the Table option. Click on it, and a grid will appear. You'll see small squares or cells, allowing you to select the number of rows and columns you want in your table. Hover your cursor over this grid, starting from the top left, and drag it to the bottom right until you've highlighted the desired size of your table. As you move your cursor, you'll notice numbers appearing indicating the selection you've made. Once you've determined the right dimensions for your table, simply click to insert it into your document. And there you have it. You've successfully created a table in Microsoft Word. From here, you can start typing in your data into each cell. You might also want to explore the table formatting options available to customize the appearance according to your preference. Remember, you can always adjust the size of your table or its cells by clicking on the edges and dragging them to your desired size. With a bit of practice, you'll find creating and managing tables in Word is a straightforward and useful skill for organizing all kinds of data. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips on maximizing your productivity with Microsoft tools.